All right, I'm going to start some seeds, but first I'm going to open this box. I'm just trying a whole bunch of different seed starting things from Amazon. This one's interesting because it comes with the tray for the bottom and then a 40 cell planting space, and then it also comes with grow lights, and there's 4 of them, so it'll be plenty of room. They come with some tags, they got some air vent covers, some little shovels. So I'm going to go ahead and put one of them together, and then I'm going to make a potting mix and start planting my pepper seeds. I normally like doing some actual potting mix on the bottom, and then I do a seed starting on top. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to put the soil in. I really like these mats. They make it really simple. You don't have to worry about making a mess in your house. And it's cold outside, so I really don't want to go playing outdoors doing seed starting. Even my garage is kind of cold right now. So far I like this tray. It feels pretty strong actually. And they move, but they're pretty rigid going this way. Don't want to break it though either. Alright. Wow. That's harder to get in than I thought. I'm getting old. There we go. Now for the real nice fine seed starting mix. Go on top. I actually like packing the soil down to make sure that there's a good block in here, because otherwise the seed will possibly fall into the dirt further than you want when it gets watered in and everything. Alright, that's pretty well done. Now I'm going to do the spiciest peppers that I have, pretty much. Which should be these 2 bags, I think. Let's go with these. Hopefully I have enough. I don't want to waste space in it. Let's go with Carolina Reaper, same this side. Alright, so I'm going to put seed in each one of them. I should have soak the soil. If more than one pops up, it's not that big a deal. I can pull them apart. Where's those tags? I didn't bring my paint pens. I'll just do CR for now. I'll do paint pens in a little bit because marker wears off too quick. This guy. Looks like only 2. 3. There's 3 of them. Right? So 1 here. 2 here. 3 spots. This should have enough. There we go. And this one is black scorpion tongue. 1, 2. Show you what it looks like once it's done. All right, now I have some water. This way I have a lot more control over it and keep the seeds from switching spots. And once I water it in well enough, I will the lid put on it. But that's how I'm going to do it. It comes with a lid. It goes on top, and it's a pretty tall lid actually. And I believe you just put these things on by snapping them in, just like that. There we go. All right, well, I put the lights in. They just snap into here. Got the vents. You can open it to let it dry out more or keep it more humid. I added water to it, and now we wait to see what it does. All right, a lot of them are popping up, looking pretty cool. Most of them have germinated. They're real small, a lot of them. One row doesn't have any, completely doesn't have any, but there's some old seed in here. But some of these are looking really nice. I like these containers. I'll put a link to these down below. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Y'all have a good one, and can't wait to eat these peppers. Alright. Anyway, if you like this video, like and subscribe. Y'all have a good one. Bye. Good. Don't get your dress. I think the pot of gold's in my garden. It's like right there. That's cool. I'm getting a lot of double rainbows here. That is cool, isn't it? Oh, that is cool.